At Early Bird, we are deeply rooted in the protection and nurturing of every child that we care for. Our approach involves meeting every child where they are at, fostering their individual growth with love and attention.
Our curriculum is underpinned by 23 objectives for development and learning, our ODLs, which have been demonstrated by research as foundational to children's successful transition to and functioning in primary school.
We also prioritize supporting our teachers to enhance their positive impact on the children's lives and their own professional development.
My favorite part about being at Early Bird is that we are all team players. We have become a family. I love working with the parents. They've become our family too, and I love interacting with my colleagues.
By partnering closely with families, our parents and caregivers, we ensure that we build trust and maintain open communication. Our goal is to create an inclusive and diverse environment where every child, family and team member feels empowered and valued. Today you are you that is truer than true. There's no one alive who is youer than you.